RC Maniacs.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I thought that I would do a comparison video between these two today, since you guys seem to like my first video about this one so much. So yeah, this is the regular size WPL D12 110 scale Keitruck. Awesome, lots of details in here, and on the outside it looks great. And then we have the 1/16 scale from CXD, the D12 Mini, which also looks absolutely amazing with all the detail here. So you can see they look pretty much the same on the outside and on the top like this. And of course this one is a lot bigger. So this is about 17 centimeters high, and this is just shy of 11, and without the side mirrors about 10 centimeters wide, 9 maybe. And this is, as you can see, about 15. And when it comes to length, this is a little more than 21 centimeters, and I have to make this a little longer here. This is about 33 centimeters. So yeah, the size difference is pretty big, of course, since they are two different scales. So yeah, that's obvious. And yeah, let's turn them over to have a look underneath. So there's a different kind of suspension on this one. I don't remember what it's called, but it's some sort of like torsion bar in the front, and we got some leaf suspension in the back. Here we got these sort of spring friction shocks in the front, which works quite well. And in the back we got a ball joint in the middle and some springs in the rear there. And we can take a quick look here at the motor and the gearbox, which is fixed in that direction here and transfers directly to the axle here, while this one is in the front here, or in the middle, and a 370 sized motor, and the small one got a 1/3 30 sized. And then you transfer the power with this drive shaft there back to this differential in the middle. So the drivetrains are obviously a lot different as well. You can see here the battery compartment. You turn the wheel here and you find the battery in the back here, which is, let's see if I can get this out with one hand here, a 2-cell lithium ion 500 milliamp, and you got the battery here on the small one, which is a 1-cell 500 milliamp lithium ion. And the runtime on this one is pretty incredible actually. So yeah, let's turn these back over. Got the GPS here, so I thought I would do some testings with them. Let's see. So this is the transmitter for the small one. Got steering trim as well as 2 different speed modes. And here is the transmitter for the big one. Steering trim and steering rates here, 2 different modes. You can see, and we press that button again, so you can see the difference there, as well as a couple of speed modes or throttle rates, and much larger transmitter. So yeah, let's get to the testing part of this video. Okay, so we're just going to do a quick speed run here. So this is in the low setting. Get it back in here. So we got about 9 kilometers per hour on that setting. So let's try the other one. GPS set to 0. So as you can see, there's a little difference here. The high speed setting. Still not a speed demon though. And we got 11. So that's 2 kilometers per hour difference. Can give it one more go here. It looks great though. Super scale. A bit bouncy. Yeah, 11. Okay, so we got the low speed setting on the Mini. Let's go. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's not super fast, but it looks great. I really like this one for some reason. 5 kilometers per hour on the low setting. Going to high setting. Put a little UE. Coming back in here. And we go to 7. Not too bad, considering how tiny it is. Okay, so now I thought we would test the steering radius. So I've got a mark right there. Steering to the max. And we go there. So let's make a mark here. And now we'll have a go with the larger one. Whoa, that's impressive. So that's a roughly 8 centimeter difference. Maybe it's kind of a ridiculous comparison to make, but I thought it would be interesting to see, since both of them have incredible steering radius, which makes for great drifters. Okay, let's make one more ridiculous comparison here. So got some grass over there. See if it can handle some grass. And whoa, whoa, whoa. It actually could. Quite decently. Granted, the grass is quite short right now, but anyways, it's kind of impressive. Okay, so we got stuck, but we get a little run up and we're off to grass. And I said ridiculous comparison, since this is a 1/10 scale, so this handles the grass without any issues. Can go super slow, and I got stuck, but yeah, that's because of the uneven surface there. And now I got stuck on the spare in the rear. But you got much larger wheels, higher ground clearance, so of course this handles it better. Just want to show you guys. Okay, so there we go. A little comparison just to show you guys what they can do and what they're like. I like them both, so I would say if you can, you should definitely get them both. The tiny one is great indoors. It really is, and pretty fun outside as well. And the larger one got like endless possibilities when it comes to upgrades and modifications. So yeah, I like them both. I hope you liked this video. Tell me in the comments what you think, and if you like this type of content. So yeah.